subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel, One Down, Four Up. $3 car wash. There's a lot of cops out today. I don't know what's going on, why, but there's a lot of cops out. It's like 42 degrees out right now. Whataburger. Thought I'd do some riding around in town, do some exploring in town. I'm in the city of Tucson. I got a motorcycle. I don't know why I gotta wait. So this is the first time that I've brought my bike this far down into town. So we'll see what happens here. It was kind of chilly when I left my house 45 minutes ago. That's how long it took me to get down to this area right here. Because I don't know, man, I seen 4 state troopers, 3 city police, and 2 motorcycle cops. I wish I had my camera on when I saw the motorcycle cops, because they got some sweet looking motorcycles, man. There's the Santa Catalina Mountains up there. Beautiful. I haven't seen one yard sale sign out today. I was going to hit some yard sales up. But look at this person here. Just squeeze on in there, sweetheart. And then riding right on the ass of that car. You got to be careful up here at this stoplight. This has the camera Photoshop. They'll take your picture when you run the light or you're speeding through. I usually don't like coming into town. Usually my wife and kids, we come into Tucson, go to the mall or something, Walmart. Here's those photo cameras. See if anybody gets flash bombed. Beautiful Santa Catalina Mountains. You can see the cameras right there by the stoplights. I'm gonna go hit some parking lot garages. Take some photos for my Instagram. I signed up for an Instagram. I don't know. I don't really do those multimedia things or whatever they call them. Instagram, tweet, and stuff like that. But I decided, I do take a lot of pictures. I put them on my Facebook. I have a Facebook, but my wife uses it more than I do. But when I take pictures, I use it. So, ooh, nice mischief. Instagram is a thing for pictures, so I figure, you know, I'll make an Instagram for my One Down, Four Up. And put pictures of my motorcycles and stuff like that, things I see. It's a nice big wash. Ooh, pothole. Let's go in here and hit this carport here. Parking lot garage. Yeah, so if you want to see pictures that I take, I got an Instagram up on my channel. You go in there and check out the pictures. I mean, I put... Oh, moly, man, that was a big speed bump. Knocked my tripod off. I didn't even see that thing. Let's go in here. Let's see how my camera makes videos in here. Which way do you go? Can't see my sun visor. No, that's to go out. I don't want to go out. Some tunnel vision here. I don't know how the camera's picking it up, but it's pretty loud. I want to go up. How do you go up? That's the Tucson Mall right there. Beautiful shot of the Santa Catalina Mountains. How do I go up? Can't get through there. We'll have to see. Go back inside here and see how to get up to the second level. That's loud. That's a big ass truck. Oh, set off the car alarms. Set off the car alarms. Oh, missed my turn. Man, it acts like this is the first time I've ever been here. Well, I haven't been here in a long time. Set off some more car alarms. I don't know if the camera's doing justice, but it's freaking loud, man. I wonder if the security guards will come around. I'm gonna take some pictures here on my bike. Oh, that was a deafening noise. Here's a perfect spot. Perfect spot. Just what I'm looking for. Let me go down a little bit more. Oh my God, that's a deafening noise it's doing in here. I'm going to take some photos of my bike and put them on my Instagram. Well, time to go set off some more car alarms. Go to a different spot, take some more pictures. That's loud. Especially right here is like a different tone. How many car alarms can we set off? None on this level. None on this level. They must have all left. There's one. Look at that big ass truck right there, man. There's another one. Booyah! That's how you do it. Setting off car alarms in the Tucson parking garage. Well, at least no cops showed up. Well, there you have it. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe. Don't cost anything. Whoa, speed bump. And time to go riding around exploring. Let's see what else we can do. Fine. Stop. There's a big hole right here in the ground, right where I'm standing. Well, like always, thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. I'll get gone. This has been a One Down 4 Up production. That's a wrap.